I'm making Persian ice cream with saffron, which is a recipe I got off mypersiankitchen.com. I mixed in the cream, milk, and sugar. I'm letting that warm up. And while that's warming up, I'm crushing saffron stems with a teaspoon of sugar here. This is the saffron that I found at World Market for on sale. It was like under $5. Just a little bit, but it doesn't take much to make this recipe. This is the sugar and saffron ground into a powder. I'm going to mix that with the cream and sugar mixture and stir that up. Then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of rose water, which I got from the International Aisle at H-E-B, our grocery store here. This was the rose water. I'm going to stir this up and stick it in the refrigerator overnight and continue making this tomorrow after it's cooled off. It's the following day and I heated the cream mixture up on a low heat and I'm mixing a little bit at a time into the bowl with the egg yolks. I should be using 2 hands to do this, but I'm going to warm up the egg yolks this way little by little, then pour that into that. I took the eggs and poured it very slowly into the warm cream mixture, and I had to sit here and stir it for 10 minutes. I have 2 more minutes to go to help thicken it a little bit. After I mix the egg in with the cream mixture, I'm going to pour it into the strainer, which is in a bowl that's been cooled off, with ice water, which is in a big bowl beneath it. And here we go. Shouldn't be any clumps in it, but you never know. Perfect. After I chilled the cream mixture, I realized I probably hadn't heated the eggs to 160 degrees to kill any salmonella that might be in them. And I'm not the kind of person who likes to take that risk, so I threw it back in the pan. Going to get it up to 160 and then put it back in the chilling bowls. So here's my ice cream. It's smooth and creamy. I can't wait to eat it. It's got a really strong flavor of saffron. I put way too much in it. The lady who made the recipe said just a few strands, but that didn't seem like enough, so I put a whole pinch. And wow, it's really strong. But fortunately, I really like it. And my children don't, but that's okay. It's more for me. And I'm going to sit down and enjoy my ice cream. Bye.